In this video, we're going to take a close look at how you can use Torah Readers to communicate with your members and with your community of readers. So let's jump straight into it. I'm going to log into Torah Readers. So here we have the new login page. Submit that and we get straight into the main page of Torah Readers. So before we jump into the mail module, I want to highlight one of the new features that we just added. It's related to the mail. So if I jump into a parsha here, so I've got a parsha fully defined, people assigned to the different readings. So on the administrative panel, I now have a new option, email readers. So this will take me straight to the emailing page and populate the to field with all of the readers for this parsha. The reply to, a lot of people ask me what that is. So that basically lists the administrators. So when a user does reply to, it will go to that specific user. So let's go back to the mailing module now. So we'll go straight from main to the mail. And let's look at a couple of the new options. So the first thing I want to show you is that we've always been able to assign different users to send the mailing to, but now we have mailing groups. So from here, we can select a predefined group with specific users in them. We can name the group whatever we want. And then we just select that group and write an email to that specific group of users. So this is a very easy way to segregate the different groups. So how do we define these groups? First of all, I go to this new tab called Mailing Groups. And here I can see a couple of groups that I've already created. I'm going to create a group called Weekday Readers. We'll select the members. So this is the same selection panel that we've had before for selecting recipients of emails. So I'll randomly select a couple of members here. Click on the Done button and I get that list here. These are the members of the group. Clicking the little X here, I can remove a member if I inadvertently select them or they leave the group. So that group is saved. If I refresh the screen now and come back to the mail, so in the drop down, I can now see my Weekday Readers group with the users assigned to that group, and I can send them a specific mail. So I want to highlight another topic now, which is brand new. So I'm just going to start writing this email, and the email saves automatically every 60 seconds. So I don't really have to click save unless I'm ready to send it. But once it's saved, it came up with this new option, schedule a recurring message. So I can define this message as one that will be sent recursively every week or once a month. I'm going to select week here, and then I'm going to select that it goes out on Monday. So this will actually go out on Monday morning every single week. If I select month, I just select the date that I want it to be sent each month. And I could say once every month, once every 2 months. I'm going to save the schedule. Once I save the schedule, I have the option also to remove that schedule. So this email is now defined as a recurring email. I don't need to send it. It'll actually send automatically on the date that I defined. Now, if we come down here to the saved emails panel, I can see the difference between recurring and regular emails. So I've got a number of different recurring emails here. I can go and edit that email. I can change the group. I can change the schedule. I can remove the schedule altogether and just send it as a regular mail. And likewise, I can take a previous mail that's been defined and now define that as a recurring scheduled email. So it provides all the flexibility here between groups, between schedules. I want to look at a couple of the other options here that have been here for actually a very long time, but not many people know about them. So the first one is email templates. So the system actually sends a lot of different emails automatically from directly from the system. There's parts of those emails that you can edit for your own use. So you can put your own information in those emails. So we've got here the list of all the emails we can save a template, and that template will be applied when that specific email gets sent. The other option here is the welcome message. This is a message that appears on the first page where after a user logs in. I've got a couple of messages here that I've already defined. It saves them when I write these welcome messages. I can go and edit this message, keep it simple, and when I publish it, that message actually gets shown on the home page. So here we can see that if we come back here after refreshing, I can see that that's now published. I can only have one published at a time, obviously, and then we see here the welcome message. This is how it'll look. So you can define whatever message you want or no message. Some people have a nice long message there. Some people have no message at all. So I'm going to unpublish that. So what have we seen now? Let's do a quick recap. In the mailing module, we now have the option to do select groups. We have the option to create a recurring email. We can sign any email as a recurring email. We have the email templates. So email templates allow us to customize the system emails. We have the welcome message. And finally, the newest addition is the mailing groups, where I can create new groups. I can edit groups. I can edit them from the drop down here, edit the members, edit the name of the group, or directly clicking here, I can also edit. So these are the options for communicating with your members through Torah Readers.